Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Saeed Irfan and I warmly welcome you all to this lecture series on IT security audit. In this series, we will explore the concepts, frameworks and practical aspects of auditing information security in modern organizations. Whether you are a student, academician or working professional, this course is designed to give you both theoretical understanding and real-world insight. Let's begin this journey. Imagine a company loses all its customer data overnight. Bank accounts are compromised, confidential files are leaked, and the organization's reputation is severely damaged. The question is, how did this happen? And more importantly, how could it have been prevented? This is where the concept of IT security audit comes into play. Let's talk about the learning objectives of this course. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand the difference between IT audit and IT security audit, define IT security audit clearly, explain why it is critical for organizations, identify the role of an IT security auditor. Let's begin with the basics. What is an IT audit? An IT audit is a systematic evaluation of information systems, IT processes, internal control. The objective is to ensure data integrity and security, system reliability, alignment with business goals. In simple terms, an IT audit checks whether an organization's technology systems are functioning effectively, efficiently, and securely. Now, let's focus on IT security audit. An IT security audit specifically evaluates security controls, data protection mechanisms, exposure to cyber threats. It answers key questions such as, are systems vulnerable to attacks? Is unauthorized access possible? Is sensitive data adequately protected? A simple definition: an IT security audit ensures that systems are protected against threats and vulnerabilities. For example, if weak passwords are being used in an organization, an IT security audit will identify and flag this as a security risk. Let's understand why IT security audit is important. In today's digital environment, cyber threats are increasing rapidly. Key reasons why IT security audit is essential. Number one, prevention of data breaches, protects sensitive information from unauthorized access. Number two, avoidance of financial loss. Cyber incidents can result in significant financial damage. Number three, regulatory compliances. Organizations must comply with legal and industry standards. Number four, protection of business reputation. A single breach can severely impact customer trust. For example, if a financial institution suffers a data breach, customers may lose confidence and stop using its services. Now, let's understand the role of an IT security auditor. Key responsibilities include identifying security risks, evaluating security controls, detecting vulnerabilities, preparing audit reports. Now let's understand what are the essential skills an auditor must have. And these are analytical thinking, understanding of networking and systems, knowledge of cybersecurity principles, strong ethical mindset. An important note: an auditor does not act as a hacker, but must think like one to identify potential weaknesses. Let's talk about the types of IT security audits. Internal audit is the first type, conducted within the organization. The second type is external audit, conducted by the independent third parties. Number three, compliance audit, ensures adherence to laws and standards. Number four, forensic audit, conducted after an incident for investigation. Now let's understand audit life cycle. A typical IT security audit follows these stages. Number one, planning. Number two, risk assessment. Number three, field work, or we can say testing. Number four, reporting. Number five, follow-up. These stages will be covered in detail in the upcoming lectures. In this session, we discussed the concept of IT audit and IT security audit, key differences between them, importance of security audits, role of IT security auditor, types of audits, overview of the audit lifecycle. In the modern digital world, security is not optional, it is essential. In the next lecture, we will explore information security fundamentals, including CIA, Triad, and risk concepts. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Till then, goodbye.